The top 5 best embroidery machine for home business recommendation. Recommendation number 1. JANOME Memory Craft 14,000 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Memory Craft 14,000 has so many features that it will take weeks for a true embroidery enthusiast to fully grasp its potential, which is definitely not a bad thing. You know, the maximum speed of 1,000 stitches per minute, SPM, with the facility of automatic needle threading and tension control will help you wrap up your projects faster. Although the LCD screen will feel a bit complex to operate at start, the instructional DVD and manual will ease you into all the functions and controls. Recommendation number 2. JANOME MB7 Embroidery Machine. The JANOME MB7 is a multi-needle embroidery machine suitable enough for home-based business for its exceptional features. It has got the maximum embroidery size of 9.4 x 7.9 inches, which is suitable enough to give luxurious space required for versatile embroidery. The extra-large bobbin and dedicated bobbin winding motor help in easy usability. Furthermore, the auto thread cutter and manual thread tension control make the operation super quick and simple. There is a well-lit needle area to see the needles in operation. Also, this model works on a splendid speed of 800 SPM. Recommendation number 3. JANOME MB4S Commercial 4-Needle Embroidery Machine. This multi-needle embroidery machine is more than professional equipment that is specifically designed to please a home business owner. JANOME understands your specific needs and has therefore focused on automation. It has a dedicated bobbin winder, automatic needle threader and tension control, and a wide work area. The versatility of editing your designs is path-breaking, as you can use the remote computer screen, RCS, to not only snip and snap your designs but also combine and experiment. Recommendation number 4. JANOME Memory Craft 500E Embroidery Machine. The JANOME Memory Craft 500E is an absolutely suitable product as it brings a lot of versatility in the picture with the multiple hoops. The large hoop embroidery machine makes it easy to handle bigger projects. This comes in the sewing area of 7.9 x 11 inches, and the 160 built-in designs make stitching more fun than ever. You also get to work with 6 monogramming fonts and 2 and 3 letters as well. One of the features that I absolutely love about this machine is the on-screen editing, which makes your work incredibly simple. You can rotate, flip, arc, combine, drag, and... Recommendation number 5. Brother SN1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The Brother SN1900 is one of the best-selling models in this range for a couple of reasons. The ability to import premium designs from the internet is arguably its best feature. It can positively impact your inventory as you can play with different designs for your clients. The work field is wide enough and moderately lit for large projects. The large 5-7-inch embroidery hoop is a godsend because we found that it reduces the work time by half or more. You can attach the material to the hoop in the best suitable position and feed it